Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Gohar. This tutorial is about QR codes. So how you can generate your own QR codes using Microsoft Word. You can create your own QR codes for your websites using add-ins in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. First off, open your Word document and go to the top main menu. Within main menu there will be an option insert. Click on insert, then go to the add-in section, click on store. So this will open up the add-in search section. So you can find different kind of add-ins by searching. I'm going to search for QR code, so type QR code. So there are a bunch of QR code generators. I would like to use QR for Office. Click on add and read the license agreement and click on continue. In order to make QR code, we need some URL. To get some URL, we will go to the Chrome browser and open my YouTube channel. I will get the URL of my channel. I'm going to copy the URL without HTTP, so copy the URL and go back to Word and paste the URL. You can also customize color settings and adjust the size. 132 by 132 is okay for me. So click on insert. So QR code is created. I would like to scan the QR code with my smartphone. We can also check the QR code by our smartphone camera. Opening the smartphone camera and click on Google Lens camera and scan the QR code. Click on white button and then go to website. This will land on my YouTube channel, so the QR code is perfectly worked. I hope you understand the idea how you can create your own QR code by using Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you next time.